Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 more altcoins to buy on this dip potentially. So in the past 24 hours, the market is pretty much flat. It is only up about 0.35%. Top gainers in the past 24 hours, Keep Network, which is up about 22%, trading at around 35 cents. We have the highest volume obviously with Bitcoin, which is trading at around 34,000 right now, and it's only up about 1% or so in the past 24 hours. Ethereum outperforming a little bit, up about 4.4%, trading at 2,300. Then we obviously have Binance Coin up about 7% at 322. We have Cardano and Ripple pretty much flat. Doge is flat. Polkadot up 5%. Uniswap up 7%. We have some of these other coins like Solana, Chainlink, and a lot of these other altcoins that are, popping on higher, which is a positive sign. We are seeing these altcoins start to move, and that is definitely something that we are looking out for. We want the altcoins to go because you guys already know, as the large cap coins continue to move on higher, then the mid cap and the low cap coins start to follow. And then obviously same pattern on the way down. If the large cap coins go down, mid cap and low cap coins start to follow back down as well. So could we be seeing an altcoin season happening right here? Well, that's for us to find out. We are not sure so far, but it could potentially be happening if we continue to see these pops like we are right now. Now, guys, before we get into this list, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 37,000 subscribers. As always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links are going to be in the description for that. And leave a comment below. What crypto are you buying right now in the month of July? So let's go. Number 1 on our list is going to be SushiSwap. So this one, we have not talked about this coin for a very, very long time on this channel. But today it's having a perfect day. It's up about 7.75%. Trading at right around $9 right now. Market cap on this coin is around 1.1 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 604.5 million, and then the circulating supply at 127.2 million. Now in the past week, this one's up 14%. In the past month, down 21%. And then on the 1-year chart, it is still up over 166%. So if you had about $1,000 invested, you would be up about $1,600 profit on this coin right now, if you bought it last year around this, $3 range or so. So definitely an interesting coin. If we look at the all-time chart, just like, because the coin did come out actually last year in August, it only shows you that, 1-year chart, I guess you could say. So definitely an interesting coin. So SushiSwap is an Ethereum token that powers SushiSwap, a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange and automated market maker built on Ethereum. Now, holders of Sushi can participate in community governance and stake their tokens to receive a portion of SushiSwap transaction fees. Now, if you guys go on their website, you guys can check out more stuff about SushiSwap, but you guys should already know how big SushiSwap could potentially be in the future. Obviously, this could be just a potential grab on the a little bit of a pump. So you never know, you can grab 7, 10, 20, 30 or 40% in a matter of 24 hours or so, and then get out of this coin quickly. It is not a coin that I would suggest holding for the long term, but that's obviously on you to figure out, as I'm not a financial advisor. So none of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, guys, and do your own due diligence. Make sure that it fits your criteria. We have high risk, high reward type situations, especially in the crypto world, just like the penny stock world. But crypto is even more dangerous because these can either go up 100%, 200% in a matter of a few days, but they can also go down 50, 60, 70, even 80% in a matter of a few days as well. So it's definitely dangerous, and you have to weigh out your risk versus reward when you trade out crypto. So SushiSwap is our number 1 coin on the list. Number 2 is going to be Polkadot. So Polkadot, another popular one, in general. I think Polkadot is a very popular one. DOT is the ticker symbol. So this one is up about 6% today, trading at around $16.15. Market cap on this one is at around 15.1 billion, and then the volume in the past 24 hours right under 1 billion, and then circulating supply 958.1 million. In the past week, this one is pretty much flat. On the 1-month chart, down 33%, and then on the 1-year chart, this coin is up almost 500% from lows of about, what are we trading down here, around $2.90 or so last year in August when this coin started trading. We hit highs here of about $49, $50 here in May. That was the all-time high we saw, and then a pullback all the way down to about $20, a little bit under $20, around $18 or so. And we've been consolidating around this area, and now we saw this another major pullback down to about $15 or so. and now we're kind of consolidating right there. Hopefully we stay around this range. If not, we're going to continue to go lower, potentially under $10, closer to that $9 range before we hit that next support level and build off of it, hopefully. But if we see a rally in the large cap coins, that could push up, give us that momentum that we need with the altcoins, and we could have an altcoin season again towards the end of the summer, and that is what we're going to be watching out for. So Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset. By uniting multiple blockchains, Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or to connect the bond new chains together. So that is what Polkadot does. Very interesting coin. The market cap is a little bit higher than what we're used to talking about for these low cap coins, but 15.1 billion is still a lower cap coin, I guess you could say, or on the lower side compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are in the hundreds of billions right now. So still has a lot of potential. I would not be surprised to see Polkadot trading at around $50 or $60 in the next 5 to 10 years, or even in a shorter term. But definitely an interesting coin to add to your radar to see how it's going to perform, especially once we see that altcoin season start to pump up once again, like it did a few months ago. Then we have the number 3 spot, one of our favorite coins, once again, Polygon, also known as Matic. So you guys know this coin. If you're a fan of the channel, you definitely know this coin. And if you don't, you're missing out. So this one is up about 2% in the past 24 hours, trading at $1.14. In the past week, it is down about 3%. In the past month, down about 28%. And then on the 1 year chart, this coin is still up 5,557.7%. Huge gains. It was trading at around 0.0207 last year in July, and then we hit highs up here like we always talk about, close to about $2.70 or so, pulled back down to about $1, came back up to over $2, so quick, 50% cut, 100% gain, and then another, downtrend here all the way back to the dollar or so, and now we're consolidating. So we're building up on that support, and we're pretty much trading at May prices, which is crazy. I mean, we're only about a month and a half or two behind in price, in the price action. So we're still trading at a fair level right now for Polygon. 7.1 billion market cap. Market cap is not bad at all. Volume in the past 24 hours at 556.3 million, and then the circulating supply at 6.3 billion. Polygon exactly is obviously a greener coin, and that's what we need for the future. So this one could definitely be a huge coin in the future. I would not be surprised to see this one 10x in the next 10 to 20 years. Now Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using large two-side chains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So obviously, you guys already saw we had a whole list of green coins, or renewable energy type coins that are going to be good for our basically environment in the future. And Polygon is definitely on that list. We have Solana and many other altcoins that are on that list that are much better than having Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin is definitely not a green coin, not even close to it. And that is what happened actually with Elon Musk and Tesla. He said that they will not be accepting Bitcoin anymore for Teslas, and people started to pump up, Polygon, Solana, and these other coins because they thought that potentially they could get picked to be the next, big coin. Obviously, as the sell-off happened and now the pullback, nothing's going on with that, and the green coins kind of lost interest, but they're still there, for the future. Definitely interesting to see what's going to happen with them in the next, 5 to 10 years, how they're going to perform. I think they're definitely going to be higher than they are right now as cryptocurrency gets accepted more and more, and we get to see some more uptrend in the future. So guys, those are the 3 altcoins. Now let's take a look and see how the rest of the market is performing just in general. So Bitcoin is obviously the first one we're going to take a look at. It's pretty much flat in the past 24 hours. Not much has changed. In the past week, it's down about 5%. In the past month, down about 5%. So for that past month, it's just been trading sideways. And then on the 1 year chart, still up 267%. Like we keep saying, since about May 19th, we've been trading in this channel between this 30,000 area and about 40,000 area. We've been trading back and forth, which is still great, about a 30% upside for anybody that gets in at around 30, K and sells it at the 40K area. That is still a great upside. You can keep buying, on the dip and selling on the highs. It was trading around 9,000 last year. So anybody holding from last year is still making some decent gains. Now, market cap 635.7 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours, 25.7 billion, like we keep saying. So Bitcoin doing well. We like to see it stay around this level as long as it doesn't go into the low 30s, lower like under 32,000. That's when it gets a little bit scary, because once it goes under 30,000, who knows what's going to happen once we get into those 20s. So we would like to keep Bitcoin above the 35,000 area for the next couple of days, and then hopefully see a little bit of uptrend. We've been waiting for that uptrend for a while, but it's just so tough to break through that 38,000, then the 40,000, and then especially that 42,000 area. That's the big resistance area that we cannot break now. We've tried a few times. It hasn't happened. So that's the area we're going to be looking out for to see how it's going to, perform in the next few, weeks and months, obviously, to see if Bitcoin's going to finally get that uptrend push. So Ethereum outperforming, compared to Bitcoin. It's up about 4.4%. Market cap at 268 billion, trading at 2,300. It was at around 2,200 24 hours ago. In the past week, it's up about 6.5%. Past month, down 15%. And then on the 1 year chart, 863% higher, as it was trading at around $200, $240. Went to highs of 4,400, pulled back down, and now we've been trading around this $2,000 level. A little bit on the upside, a little bit on the downside, but not much, action. Nothing crazy going on. We've been trading around the same price since pretty much May, end of May. So that is what we're looking at with Ethereum. And we're definitely going to keep a close eye on Ethereum, because once Bitcoin starts moving, Ethereum usually follows trend. Obviously, sometimes they outperform each other. One goes up a little bit higher than the other, but overall, they follow that same trend and they do whatever the other one does. So definitely keeping an eye out on Ethereum as well to see how it's going to perform, especially with this 4.5% gain in the past 24 hours. It's interesting to see what's going to do for the rest of the week. Are we going to start to, see an uptrend with Ethereum as well? And then we have Doge. Doge is pretty much flat in the past 24 hours, trading at 23 cents. 30.2 billion market cap. In the past week, it's down about 11%. In the past month, down 37%. And then on the 1 year chart, still up over 7,500% for anybody that got in at really, really cheap prices last year at around 0.0035, which is just insane if you're still holding, because, we were trading at 74, 77 cents, I believe, at one point. You could have been taking profit at any points here, even at 50 cents, even at 40 cents up here. But, if you didn't, that's kind of crazy, because it's just been on a downtrend. I would have definitely taken some profits, taken some gains, at least 50% of my position, and, not get stuck bag holding like some people. Obviously, if Doge goes under 15 cents and then we go under that 12 to 13 cents area, could be in hot water, and definitely a dangerous area for Doge to see how it's going to perform. But, some people still think it's going to hit that $1 mark. I personally do not think we will hit that dollar mark this year. Some people think it will definitely happen. But you never know with the memes, just like with the stock market, meme coins, and then the stock coins or stock market meme stocks that we see like GameStop and AMC, they get pumped up, and the same thing could happen with Doge. So definitely interesting to see what it's going to do for the rest of the year. But Doge is trading around 23 cents right now. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of content. If you did, smash that like button for me. Like we said, let's aim for 50 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are going to be in the description for that. Leave a comment below. What cryptocurrency you're watching right now? Are you buying a dip? And what is going to be happening for the rest of the year? Leave me some predictions in the comments below. I will reply. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.